Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a high sugar maintenance diet to stay shredded. So I'm going to share what I recently ate in a day. Now, this is a high sugar diet, also known as a high carb diet. I do add some other foods as well. This is a maintenance routine just to keep me in great shape all year long. So I'm going to share what I did here. I had my first meal at 1 p.m. and this is a watermelon, which is my favorite food. We're going to be getting some really good watermelons in right now. These are the dark watermelons. They're Yumi or Yummy. They're Y-U-M-I. So if you can find those, check those out. Super delicious. So if you're new to my channel, I generally have my first meal at 1 p.m. I fast throughout the morning. I drink water throughout the morning. I do my workout at 11 a.m. I just like to work out fasted. I don't like to eat before I work out. And then I'm just not hungry until 1 p.m. So that's what I had at 1 p.m. Nice and hydrating. Then at 3 p.m. I had a bowl of cherries and strawberries. Next up at 4 p.m. I made a smoothie. This is a super delicious one. It had 2 dates. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had about a half a cup of almond milk, a half a cup of coconut water. I have a packet of acai. And I got 4 frozen ripe bananas. And the way I like to do it is I freeze the bananas with the peel on, and then I throw them in a bucket of water for about 4 minutes to thaw out. And it just has a great consistency when I do that. And the smoothie also had about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And that made a total of just over a liter. Nice and perfect, fit right in the glass. Super delicious. Try that one out. Let me know what you think about that. Then at 5 p.m. I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, carrots, and avocado. Make sure to get in those greens. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. with a bowl of cherries and strawberries. And then I had some rice with quinoa bean patties and hot sauce on top. So that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. Some delicious recipes. And give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.